This is the bad guy. We need to capture. If it's a him or a her, doesn't matter. Yeah, we need to catch him until he gets away.
Bethany's been captured. What shall we do? Cadeaux, Bethany's been captured.
Ninja, suit up!
I don't want to.
But you should be. Crime doesn't pay.
I don't care.
I just...
Where's the bad
guy?
Oh no, the ninjas are here.
Thank you so much for rescuing me.
Don't worry, you're all going to capture her.
Don't hurt her. I think she can be good.
Okay. We should run her to jail.
You're right, Madison. We should bring her to jail right now.
Once again, the ninjas have saved the day.
Fire!